How to draw Chattermax from Bluey. We are going to begin by drawing a long, tall oval in the middle of our page. Then inside of this oval near the top, we are going to draw two small diagonal lines going inwards and up on either side. Then we are going to draw a curved line in between those, connecting them together. Next, we are going to draw a tall U shape inside of the bottom half of this oval, connecting to those lines that we just drew. Then inside of this U, we are going to draw a straight line going horizontal near the bottom. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the mouth. Next, we are going to draw the eyes. For the right eye, we are going to draw a big circle right here connecting to the top of the mouth. Then for the next step of drawing the eye, we are going to draw another circle just like this one, outlining it, connecting to the mouth as well. Then the last step of drawing the right eye will be to draw the pupil. For this, we are going to draw a circle right here and color it in black. Wow, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the left eye the exact same way that we just drew the right one. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. The eyes look great. Now we are going to draw the feathers around the eyes. We will start on the right side. For this, we are going to draw a curved line right here, connecting to the outside of the right eye for the first feather. Then connecting to that curved line near the right, we are going to draw another curved line going around, connecting back to the outline of the eye as well. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw another curved line just like that one for the next feather. And then we are going to draw one more curved line just like this one, connecting to the right eye for the last feather on the right side. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are coming along great. Now we are going to draw 4 curved lines connecting to the top of the left eye just like we drew for the right one for the feathers on the left eye. Nice job! Now we are going to begin drawing the body of Chattermax. For the first step of this, we are going to draw a small line in between the middle two feathers above the eyes, connecting them together. Then we are going to draw a line right here for the top right side of Chattermax. Then connecting to the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a big, tall C. This will be the beginning of Chattermax's right wing. Now to continue drawing the wing, we are going to draw a curved line going upwards and to the left, connecting to the bottom of that C. Then to finish drawing the right wing, we are going to draw a curvy line connecting this shape together. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw the left side and wing of Chattermax similar to how we just drew the right side. So we are going to draw a straight line going downwards from the feathers on the outside of the left eye, and then we are going to draw a tall backward C shape for the beginning of the wing. Then connecting to the bottom of that backward C, we are going to draw a curved line going up and to the right, and then we are going to draw a curvy line connecting that shape together. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the bottom of Chattermax by drawing a slightly curved line connecting the left and right wing together. Now we are going to add some detail to Chattermax's body. First, we are going to draw some curved lines connecting to the bottom outline and the mouth. For this, we are going to draw a curved line here and here. This will make somewhat of an upside down U shape. Nice job! Then we are going to draw a curved line under each eye. These will be right here and right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost finished drawing Chattermax. Next, we are going to draw the feet. For this, we are going to draw 3 small curved lines connecting to the bottom outline of the body. This is the first one, and then the next one is just going to be a small curved line going to the right, and the last one will be another curved line going to the right and then upwards connecting to the bottom outline of the body. Now we are going to draw the right foot the same way. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now the final step of drawing Chattermax will be to add more feathers around the eyes. These will be right here, 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 and here. So there will be 5 feathers in total. We will draw these ones similar to how we drew the smaller feathers connecting to the outline of the eyes. I will stop in between drawing each feather so that you can see what it looks like. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now we are going to draw 5 more feathers around the left eye the exact same way. This is How to Draw Chattermax from Bluey. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.